Teachers, I wanted to show you my roll and count games that I have been using for years in my classroom. I recently revamped them and posted them on Teachers Pay Teachers. Here's how we play the roll and count game. First, print the game mats you need. You can either mount them in a file folder or you don't have to. Students can just lay the game mats side by side and play them at their workstation or center. You've got your game mats, 2 dice or 1 die, depending on the level of game you're playing, and either some tokens to place down on the number once they find the numeral, or the game pieces that are included in the game. For this game, it happens to be little school buses that you can laminate and cut out. I like to use manipulatives because they're way more fun. So you roll the dice, count up the dots. You'll find students counting them one by one or subitizing. We can see that we have 7. So I am now going to place my token on the number 7.